Hi, my name is Youngmin Lee. Today, I will apply SM in 3D dimension.
Students should know the concept of 3 dimension. Let's watch.
This is 1D.
You can only go forward and backwards, and you can never go left and right.
Okay, so this object could only move upward and downward and left and right. This object cannot go above or downward.
Hi there, I'm 3D object. See, look at me. See, compared to the 2D and 1D, I can go up and downward like this and like this. And I can go to left and right, and I can go forward and backward. And you can see a clear object. This is 1D and this is 2D. I am 3D. Hi, this is what you call 3D printing. We can use this to print 3D object. Let's say you can print a pencil, you can print boxes, that whatever object that you want, which is in 3D. And this is the product of the 3D printing. It is a box. I definitely print it because I want to use it for box that can store something. Apply SMA in 3D dimension by, as you can see, all of the objects near to are in a 3D. So we can check their dimensions, and also we can check the measurement of this, and so that we can create similar like that. We can apply also in proposition on object, like going up and down, and left, right, forward, and backward. Thanks for watching a video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Bye!